Another day, another amazing AI tool for UX designers. Or should I say for everyone, because it can be useful for consultants, researchers, product managers, even students, teachers, doctors, anyone if you know how to use it. So without any further ado, let's get started. So what you have to do is search NotebookLM on your Google. Open the first site and there will be a CTA button. Click on it. It will redirect you to this page in which you have to create a new notebook. So what basically it does is it collects all the data and all the research, interview, whatever is it. So you have to put it in this website and you can paste it in any form of source. For example, you can upload a file directly from your computer, or you can paste a link of a website or a YouTube. So what it does is it now has given me a topic name, a full description of whatever happened in the video, and I can actually ask questions regarding it. I have also made a fictional chat of a customer and a customer care person. I can also add that in the sources by this option, copy text. I can directly paste it and insert it. And if you want to provide a video, audio, or a document format, you can put it in this from the option of drive. If you have more sources, you can just directly copy paste it. Now here are these options in the right side, which I'll tell you one by one. First is the audio overview. In this, it will basically give you the whole concept which you gave in an audio format, and you can actually join in the conversation and ask questions regarding it. So it will take some time to generate it. Similarly, there is a slide deck option in which it will create a comprehensive PPT of the data. In this option, you will get a explanatory video of the data, and in this you will get a mind map. In flashcard, you will get cards which are flippable. On the front side there will be questions and on the back side there will be answers, so you can prepare it like that. And also there's a quiz option which is also very good. They will ask you some questions and you can check how much have you learned from the whole research. In infographics, you will get an image format of the whole concept. You can also choose what kind of video do you need, if you want a cinematic or explanatory or just a short video of it. You just have to click on it once, and here you can see all these are getting generated right now. So let's see the mind map option. In this, there's a starting point, Zomato customer experience, which is the main topic, and then it generates the linked things to it. For example, delivery issues, customer supports. You can expand the size of it, and if you want what is inside it, you can simply click on these icons to expand a particular point. And if you want to see what is inside all the sub points, you can just click on this icon to expand the whole view in once. You can increase or decrease the size by these icons, and if you wanna download this whole chart, just simply click on this one. The table is also ready, and in this they have given properly about the user, what issue it had, how did the customer care resolve it, and what was the outcome of it, what was the sources you gave. So a explanatory text format table to make you understand better. Until these things are getting generated for your better understanding, you can actually directly ask in the chat about whatever you want to know about all the sources combined. For example, on what topic did the customer get offended or did not felt fair? So the benefit of this AI is that you don't have to manually search where the pain point or issue was with the customer. So it searches all the sources and give you answer at one place. So it has searched and given the answer that losing discounts and undelivered food, zero accountability, lengthy refund. So it has given at what all things did the customer felt offended. So our audio format is ready. Let's see.
I want you to imagine a scenario. It's late. You're completely exhausted.
Oh, yeah, we've all been there.
Right. You ordered dinner like 2 hours ago.
So now it has generated an audio in which two fictional people are having a conversation and they will be answering your doubts.
And you're just staring at your phone as the app.
It has explained the whole concept in this audio. If you want to listen it, you can. And also there is a option of interactive in which you can actually jump into the audio and have a conversation with the fictional people. Hi, I just wanted to know what is the basic process of Zomato and how does it work?
Oh, hello again. That is a fantastic question to start us off with today.
I love that you want to understand the engine under the hood before we dive into the details.
Think of Zomato as a massive digital conductor orchestrating three.
So as you've seen that it tells the whole process, whatever you want to ask and want to know, in a very simple language and very understandable way. So you won't feel like it is a reading material or a very comprehensive thing that you have to learn or understand. You can simply have a conversation with a fictional character and understand the concept better. So there's this option of PPT in which it has literally created a simplified and such a informative and relevant slide deck for you. You can share this in your meetings or keep it for yourself, and if you want to explain it to some stakeholders, so this will be a very useful part of it. And here's the option of sharing as well. You just make it for anyone with the link and just share it with your group by adding the email. You can now share it with your colleagues or anyone. In this option of quiz, there will be a 10-pointer quiz in which from all the sources whatever it had, it will be asking you questions regarding it and you have to select an option. And if you're not able to understand which option to select, you can actually take a hint as well. Then whatever your answer is, just click on it and it will show you if it's right. Then next, so simply like that. So this is how you can test your understanding of how much do you know. And same as quiz, there's flashcard option as well. So how does Zomato typically handle refunds for orders where a discounted coupon was applied? So if you've understood the concept, you can do a tick on it. And if you haven't understood what is the answer of it, then you can say no. And you can flip as well to know the answer if you don't know. For example, what is the standard time phrase for Zomato refund to reflect in the customer's bank account? So I don't know the answer, so I can flip it and know 3 to 5 business days. In infographics, it basically gives you a visual representation of the whole concept. So the Zomato experience gap, expectations versus reality. What happens, what is the fictional points, and what is loyalty crisis. So whatever it is from the whole, from all the sources, it has combined and made a infographics for you to understand. So this is how NotebookLM works in making you understand the whole concept and defining your user better and understanding its pain points and issues by giving you all these options of mind map, audio, video, quiz, flashcards, data table, and you can also ask questions directly here, whatever you feel like you haven't understood even after all this, and it will search from all the sources and provide to you here, so you don't have to do anything manually. So that is how I feel like it was the best tool till yet in AI for defining the user. That's it for the video, guys, and I bring to you new and useful AI tools every week. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss the video. And if you've liked the video, and if I hopefully could make you understand this tool, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye.